Hey guys, the Casual Logs here bringing you another 3-minute preview video. In this one, we'll be checking out the Avani Broadbeach Residences at the Gold Coast in Australia. Now this place takes about half an hour from the airport to reach, and the location is pretty decent. It's not exactly in surfer's paradise, but it's close by, about a 10-minute drive or half an hour by tram. It's just opposite the Star Casino if you'd like to try your luck, and within a 10-minute walk around the location you can find pretty much good restaurants, a grocery store, and even a children and women's hospital. The 2-bed 2-bathroom is actually a pretty good size. The rooms are clean, there's a laundry machine and a kitchenette if you want to cook yourself some breakfast or a midnight snack, especially with the grocery store nearby. You could even fit a 5th person if they're willing to spend the night on the couch. Surfer's Paradise is quite close, and there is a tram station about 10 minutes walk which goes directly there, or you could choose to take a cab. However, if you are traveling in a large group or a family, I would recommend renting a car because the tram ticket per person is not cheap, and parking is provided at additional cost at Avani if you do rent a car. This place has a swimming pool with a barbecue area just by the side and a pretty small gym, I have to say. But I mean, you are in the Gold Coast, so are you really going to go to the gym? There's a whole ton of activities for you to do here. There's the beach, there's Surfer's Paradise with lots of activities, entertainment for the kids, shows, restaurants, and look, don't forget water sports and the theme parks. You got Movie World, Sea World, and Wet and Wild. Hence, if you are traveling in a big group, I would highly recommend you renting a car because the drive to these places is quite easy, and at the very most it would take you half an hour if you leave at a proper time. And guys, that's it from me, so enjoy the rest of the video, leave a comment and or subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next one.